Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 10th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index. And we're starting off on the 4-hour time frame. So, on the 4-hour time frame, this move down right here has definitely been very, very overlapping. And when you see overlapping patterns and you think you have the end of a crescent, which I think this right here is possibly the end of a pullback, then often it makes you think that this right here is actually not an impulsive continuation of the downtrend, but instead this right here is actually just a pullback to this move up right here. So that means that if we do get one, two, three waves down and then a break of structure or a very significant higher low right here, then that is definitely not a wave one, wave two, wave three, but instead that would be an A, a B, and a C. And that is very important because if it is an ABC, then it likely will go all the way back up and maybe even sweep all these highs. If it's actually a 1, 2, 3, then it will not do any of that. It will make lower lows. It will not make a higher low. It will just keep on making lower lows, lower highs, and it will just keep on pushing down. So, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, this is the structure level that will tell me that this right here is a wave C and then we're going back up. If it breaks that, then definitely becoming bullish the dollar. Or if it does something like this and makes a very significant higher low, then we could also assume that the wave C is potentially over and observe it to see if it goes up and breaks structure or not. But a higher low on that 4 hour time frame probably is telling us that this is a wave C and not a wave 3. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.